JavaScript, JavaScript, JavaScript. What is this? JavaScript is a programming language that is best used for web development. It's also a scripting language, which means that it can be used to create scripts that can be embedded into other applications. There are many different types of JavaScript. We have client-side JavaScript, which runs in the browser. This is the most common type of JavaScript. We also have server-side JavaScript, which runs on the server. An example of this would be something like Node.js. Then we have game development with JavaScript, which can be done with the help of libraries such as Phaser or Pixie.js. There's even such thing as a mobile app development with JavaScript, which you can do with something like React Native Script. And finally, we had back-end development with JavaScript, which can be done using frameworks such as Express.js or Nest.js. So, as you can see, JavaScript can be used to do almost anything. Now, let's look at some of the things that JavaScript can do. First of all, it can be used to create interactive websites. For example, when you click on a button, something happens. That's because JavaScript code has been executed when that button was clicked. It can also be used to validate forms. For example, when you're filling out a form on a website, JavaScript can be used to make sure that you've filled out all of the required fields. It can also be used to make dynamic websites. For example, when you're scrolling down a website, JavaScript can be used to make it look like the images are flying by. It can also be used to create animations. For example, when you're playing a video game, JavaScript can be used to animate the characters and the environment. It can also be used to process data. For example, when you submit a form, JavaScript can be used to process the data and send it to a server. And finally, it can be used to create web applications. For example, when you're using an application like Facebook or Google, you're actually using a JavaScript application. Now, what are the cons of JavaScript? Well, there really isn't any. If you're new to programming, JavaScript is a great language to learn first. It's easy to learn and there's a lot of demand for it. If you want to become a web developer, then you should definitely learn JavaScript. There's literally no reason not to learn it. It's free and it's everywhere. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I have many more videos coming up, so please stay tuned. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Peter, and I am the CEO of Citify Tech.